I think about $3,000. This one, 4,000. Is this original by DJI? Original, yeah. Okay guys, day 12 for my Thailand trip, and it's already Tuesday. Yes, it goes very fast, unbelievable. Yeah, it's always the first 3 days is okay, but once you get in the routine, and then it flies over, and then before you know it, your holiday is ended already. So now I'm heading over to Tucom at Pattaya Tai, South Pattaya Road, and I'm gonna find a USB connection with a memory card reader, so I can upload the files from my phone on my memory card, and then I hope so I can upload them to my computer. But I have to find some kind of device that I plug into my USB port on my laptop, and then can slide in my memory card, because I don't have a memory slot on my laptop himself. So I'm gonna try that, and also I'm gonna try to find something to eat, and I hope I can film that also. I'll show you some more. Later this evening I'm gonna meet up with some people. Yeah, you can see my t-shirts that I get from Varum. Huh? Very nice. And I especially like this logo here. Can you see that? It's really nice done. Also this one. Look at this. Huh? Yeah. But yeah, and I'm going to do my live stream. It will be probably on the beach or beach roads in the coconut bar. Everybody knows now what the coconut bar is, I hope, because this live stream is already uploaded, of course. If and have you seen the live stream yet, go have a look at it. It's always great to see those live streams. And normally I have a special guest also in the live stream. But you will see him in the live stream if you go watch now. But it's uploaded already, of course, and you can't live chat anymore. So, talk to you later, guys. Bye for now. Yeah, so here arrived at the Cyberlink market. It's, I believe, every Tuesday and Friday. Yes, it's Tuesday, so I stopped here, parked my motorbike, and it's not so far to Tucom from here. I even believe you can walk to this market and come back out in front of the Tucom, but I'm not sure about that. We will see. Yeah, mostly clothes here. 20 baht, you can't beat that. I think it's second-hand clothing. Yeah, it must be. Yeah, made it to Tucom. I'm gonna find my USB memory card holder device thing, and I will let you know if I find it. Yeah, guys, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors of IT, printers, cell phones, mobiles. Unbelievable. So this is the PC laptop division. Maybe gonna ask here around.
Oh, dangerous, Mr. Inside it's not good.
You can see here the memory card slots. There's a cable inside that connects to the PC, so perfect. First shopper, and I was already lucky that I found it. What name shop? Pattaya IT. Toshiba. Ah, yeah. I think I bought my laptop here. No? I buy laptop new last year.
Last year?
Yeah, or maybe that shop, I can't remember. No, this shop I buy Acer laptop. Over there is big camera. They sell the Sony also that I have, but only the Mark III and the Mark IV. The Mark III was about 20,000 baht, and the Mark IV was 32,000 baht. So you have an idea. Security systems. Ah, it's a DJI shop. I didn't notice that. Nice to know, huh? So you don't have to go to Bangkok anymore. There's a DJI shop here in Tucom, and they sell the Xiaomi scooter also. I have the same one, yeah. Exactly the same. The electric stab is it. Oh my god. Hello. Is this a new shop?
Yes.
How old? 1 month? 2 months? No? Oh.
3.
So people don't have to go to Bangkok anymore if they have problems with DJI.
Yes.
That's very nice. Huh? I will tell it on my YouTube channel, make videos for YouTube. These are really good ones, these, but expensive. Huh? I think about $3,000, these one, 4,000. Is this original by DJI? Original, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god! And you can just buy it, huh? It's for professional. Yeah. See, I never seen it. You can deliver pizzas with that, huh? I'm not gonna ask how much. Yeah, these are the Sparks and the Mavics. The Phantoms. Yeah, and also you can buy everything separate, huh? Yeah, interesting to know. You do also repair? Yeah. Yeah. And you send to Bangkok, or you do repair here? You have to send.
I send to Bangkok.
Yeah.
Send to for China.
Yeah, and they send back to here. Yeah, yeah. No, no problem. Thank you. Ronin S. Too expensive for me, guys. I'm just a cheap Charlie vlogger. I can't afford that. But I'm happy I found my memory card reader. And go one more floor up. Maybe they have some new gadgets or something. I always like gadgets. So we have here Freedom IT, and they also do a notebook repair. So you have a problem with your notebook or PC or anything, you can bring it to here, and they charge you by the hour. I just had a talk with a guy, and he repairs every brand here. Doesn't matter what you have, HP or Acer, Dell. There's an option here to repair your laptop. That's always good. Triple beef cheeseburger, 150 baht. Yeah, sorry guys, I couldn't resist it. It looked too good to me. Triple cheese, indeed. 3 burgers, yeah. But only 2 cheese, huh? anyway, I'm gonna enjoy it.